I recently had the privilege of traveling to Australia to visit family, and today I'm visiting North Stradbroke Island. This is one of my favorite places in the entire world. The first time I visited Australia back in 2012, we came here, and not to sound too cheesy, it's had a place in my heart ever since. Simply known as Straddie, North Stradbroke Island is located to the southeast of Brisbane, Queensland, and is only accessible via ferry. The ferry from Cleveland to Dunwich on North Stradbroke Island takes approximately 50 minutes. Let's take a look around the ferry. You can see loads of passengers are on it this morning. Upstairs on the second level there's a cafe on board and plenty of indoor seating. Onto level 3, the fully outdoor deck. There's stunning water views everywhere you look. And as we approach Straddie, I can tell you a little bit more about the island. Minjerribah is its Aboriginal name. It's the second largest sand island in the world, second only to K'gari or Fraser Island, which is just up the coast of Queensland. And Straddie is about 38 kilometres long. It has three main towns of Amity, Dunwich and Pointlookout, where we're going today. We have arrived at Point Lookout, and one of the reasons I wanted to come here today is to see the North Gorge Walk. This walk is about 1.2 kilometers long and it's mostly boardwalk, so it's quite easy. And if you're very fit, you'll have absolutely no problem. If you're working on it like me, you'll notice that there's a lot of stairs here and they all seem to go up. You can do the entire walk in about 20 to 30 minutes, but you'll want to take your time, take in the breathtaking scenery, and keep an eye out for the local wildlife. It's hard to put into words just how beautiful this view is in real life. The video is not close to doing it justice. The colours here are spectacular, from the golden sand of Main Beach, the aquamarine waters, the contrast in the crashing waves, and that perfect blue sky. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is such a beautiful place to walk.
He normally has his older brother and sister here to kind of flatten him down a little bit.
Keeps the Mary, and he like tries to fix it.
Sorry, sorry.
Is this the first year you've had that then?
Yes.
Aye. Good.
Do you want to go down? We're heading down to the cliff lookout now, and depending on the season, you can see dolphins, turtles, whales, and sometimes even sharks from up here. One time I saw an influencer in the wild dancing in front of her camera like there was no one else around. So funny. Step carefully here, it is rocky, it's unpaved. The view is so spectacular. Let's go back upstairs. We're at the other end of the gorge here now. I just love that rugged coastline, and you can really feel the power of the ocean over here. So what did you think of the North Gorge? Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. If you ever get a chance to come here, please do. You will not be disappointed. And there is a lovely ice cream shop as you come out of this area, so don't forget to reward yourself with some fabulous ice cream. We'll end today's video and our trip to North Stradbroke Island down on Main Beach. This is the beach we could see from up on the Gorge Walk, and you can drive on it with a permit. That's something I never knew. It's so big and so long, it runs along the entire eastern side of the island, and you can actually walk all the way down this stretch of sand for miles, all the way to the end of the island. Thank you so much for taking a walk with me today on the beautiful North Stradbroke Island here in Queensland, Australia. As I said, it's one of my absolute favourite places in the world, and I was so happy to be back here again. Thanks to my brother and sister-in-law who brought me here today. If you like this walkthrough, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more virtual walking tours. See you on the next one.